Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a common trouble code that you might encounter in your car's diagnostics, P0135. Fortunately, you are still able to drive when getting this code because its severity level is medium. However, you should get it fixed as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what this code means. The oxygen sensor's heated circuit plays a crucial role in speeding up the process of entering the closed loop. It's like a little superhero that switches its behavior based on exhaust oxygen levels, but only after it reaches the right temperature. If this superhero takes too long to start switching, the ECM gets a little cranky and triggers the P0135 code. So, how can you tell if your car is throwing a P0135 code? Look out for a friendly little light on your dashboard. Yep, that's right, if you spot a check engine light waving at you, it's time to pay attention. Besides that, keep an eye on your fuel economy. If you find yourself making more pit stops at the gas station than usual. Now, let's uncover the culprits behind P0135. These troublemakers can include high resistance in the oxygen sensor's heater element, an internal short or open within the sensor itself, high resistance in the circuit wiring, an open or short to ground in the wiring harness. Quite the list, huh? Fear not, my car-savvy friends. We have some possible solutions up our sleeves. First, start by giving your car's wiring harness and harness connectors some love. Look out for any shorts, opens, or high resistance. Fixing these issues might just do the trick and get you back on the road to happy driving. If the problem still exists, it's time to consider a new oxygen sensor. Unfortunately, when it comes to internal opens or shorts within the sensor, repairs are off the table. But hey, a shiny new sensor can do wonders for your car's performance. And there you have it. A friendly guide to the P0135 code, its symptoms, causes, and possible solutions. Remember, if you're not feeling confident about tackling this repair yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to a friendly mechanic for assistance. Now if you're looking to learn more about other trouble codes, visit our website, obdcodex.com, and give our lookup tool a try. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. Until next time, happy cruising, and may your car troubles be few and far between. Stay awesome.